Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. We are picking up on the Durandal Mapmakers Club, released from January 29th, 1996. DMMC week of something, cuts off at the end. But somewhere around the release date, of course. We have 4 levels here, so first one's called Dodge Grenade. Yeah, I bet. What the hell? Wow. I can just get through to the other side here. Okay, there we go. Something interesting. Okay, so yes, apparently this wasn't meant to be so much the assault rifle bullets. But of course, this is a bot match, so with the nature of that beast, not be playing at the intended way per se, but we'll still make plenty of use of grenades. Supposed to race with their grenades, I think. I don't know if anything of note lies under there. Yeah, lava. Doesn't look like it. Anything here? Nope. No secret doors. So basically, I think what you see is what you get. Couldn't even get one pistol shot in. Tried, but I missed. One pistol kill in. Yeah, it's just a sea of assault rifles. Yeah, I got one in. Those single kill shot. That's probably about as best as I can go for anyway. A map like this. Doors anywhere, I'm pretty sure. We got more than points. Maybe more than I could ever really need. Yep, so that's the map. That's all, everyone. Thanks for watching. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will cover foul play. Until then, thanks. Bye.